The process of building a beautiful Korean-style house begins with careful planning and understanding traditional architectural principles. A skilled Korean carpenter studies the natural surroundings before deciding the exact placement of the house. Traditional Korean houses, known as Hanok, are designed to harmonize with nature rather than dominate it. The carpenter first prepares a detailed layout that respects balance, symmetry, and functionality. Selecting high-quality wood is one of the most important steps in Korean-style construction. Pine wood is often chosen because of its strength, flexibility, and natural resistance to insects. Every piece of timber is inspected carefully to ensure it has no cracks or structural weaknesses. The wood is naturally dried for months to prevent future warping or shrinking. The foundation is laid using stone, creating a strong and moisture-resistant base. Large stones are carefully positioned to evenly distribute the weight of the structure. Unlike modern concrete foundations, traditional Korean houses rely on stone and wood joinery. The carpenter begins shaping wooden columns that will support the roof. Each column is carved by hand with precision and patience. Traditional Korean carpentry avoids using nails whenever possible. Instead, complex wooden joints are crafted to lock beams together securely. Mortise and tenon joints are commonly used in Korean-style construction. These joints allow the house to withstand earthquakes and seasonal movement. The main structural frame is assembled before walls are added. Watching the wooden frame rise is one of the most satisfying parts of the process. The beams are connected carefully to ensure perfect alignment. A skilled carpenter measures repeatedly before making any cut. Roof construction is one of the most iconic features of Korean houses. The curved roof design requires advanced carpentry skills. Each rafter is shaped to create the elegant upward curve. The